Welcome to Recreation USA. Let's have a quick look at the brand new 2026 Keystone Fuzion Impact Edition 367 toy hauler. 14 feet, separate garage, bath and a half, 5.5K generator, triple AC, sliding patio door. The ultimate toy hauler experience. Only at the East Coast's #1 dealer. Searching for a 2026 Keystone Fuzion Impact Edition 367 in South Carolina or anywhere across the Southeast. This is the high-end toy hauler setup you have been waiting for. Featuring a massive 14-foot separate garage and bath and a half layout, this unit offers unmatched versatility for your toys and your crew. Because we order custom elite-spec inventory, this unit comes fully loaded with the intense interior, knockout, and extreme exterior packages, plus a 5.5K generator and triple AC system to ensure total comfort at any destination. Make this beautiful beast yours today. Give us a call at 843-2151800.